going to win our boat race?
It's hard to say. You all have very nice boats.
I know. We should do this every year.
So I can beat you every year? Cool.
You might not win, Ian. I might beat you. Or Francine might beat you.
No way. I worked really hard on my boat to make it go really fast.
So did I. It's not easy finding pink sails.
There's the pond!
All right, kids. I'll set up our picnic right over here.
Hello there, Ian.
Hi, Mr. Greengrass. Hey, where's the water?
There is no water. The pond's totally dried up. Hasn't rained in weeks.
Goodbye, boat race.
Is it supposed to rain anytime soon?
Sorry, kids. According to the weather forecast, it's gonna be sunny and clear for the next few days. How do you like that?
If only I could control the weather. I wonder. My flowers are dying.
I'm so thirsty. Water, water!
We'd have water. If only it would rain.
Worry not!
The mighty Olivia hears your call. I will make it rain. Almighty Olivia, you saved us! You are welcome. You may come to me, Mighty Olivia, for all your weather problems. Maybe it's not supposed to rain anytime soon, but what if we can make it rain?
Make it rain?
Yeah, follow me. Mom, can we go home?
Home? Why?
To make it rain. This should be interesting.
I guess we can have our picnic at home.
There. Now we're ready to make it rain.
How are we going to do that?
We're going to do a rain dance. There are people from different parts of the world who do a special dance to help bring rain. So I thought, why not us? I feel silly. You look great. Just do what I do. Reach to the sky. Now, spin like a top. And now, just do whatever you want. It's working. Ian? Ian, you're a genius. We don't need rain to fill up the pond. Let's pull the hose closer to it.
I don't think it's gonna reach.
Sure it will. Just pull harder.
It's not working.
Don't give up. We're getting closer.
Coming through. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oops. Sorry.
Told you, the hose is too short.
The hose might not be long enough to reach the pond, but it can do something else for us.
Watch the car.
Fill up water balloons.
So we can have a water balloon fight?
No, so we can fill the pond. We'd need a lot of water balloons. How would we get them to the pond? Load water balloons. Loading water balloons. Well, that sure didn't work. Where are you going?
To do something fun. We can't get water into the pond, and we can't have a boat race without water.
Says who?
Says me. I'm a genius, remember?
I say we can still have a boat race without water.
How?
Welcome to Olivia's first annual toy boat race on dry land.
Yeah! Go dry land!
Olivia, you're a genius. I try. Introducing in lane 1, racing her super fast boat, the pink powerhouse, Francine!
Hey!
And in lane 2, with his robot boat, the blue zoom, Ian!
Oh, well, I'll be!
And in lane 3, racing her amazing boat, the red runner, it's Olivia!
All right!
Oh,
Good
impressive! Is everybody ready?
Yes!
Racers on your marks. Oh, sorry, that was an accident. Let's try this again. On your marks. Get set.
Come on, red runner, go! Go, go, go!
Go, Ian. Go, Francine. Go, Olivia.
Oh, best boat race on dry land I've ever seen. Oh, in fact, the only boat race on dry land I've ever seen.
Very impressive. Now, is anybody hungry after all that work?
Food!
Thanks, Mom. I'm so hungry.
That's a good thing you figured out how to have a boat race without water, because, who knows when we'll see rain again.
It's really raining hard out there. I bet it'll fill up the pond. Maybe you'll have your water boat race after all.
I think I'll need a bigger sail. Or maybe...
The only thing you need right now is some sleep. Time for bed. Good night, Olivia.
Good night, Mom. Wait, I'm not sleepy. They say, good night, Olivia, your big day is through. But how can I sleep? There's still so much to do. It looks like I'm tucked inside, snug in my bed. But tomorrow is chasing today through my head. Will I climb the highest mountain top, or will I paint my masterpiece? Go ride a bronco in the rodeo, or wow the crowd on my trapeze. Princess, doctor, author, astronaut, from jungle star to oceans deep. I'll do anything, go anywhere, just don't ask me to go to sleep. There's still so much to do.
Sweet dreams, little sailor.
Hi, Mr. Hogson.
Well, hello! It's so good to see you two again. I'm so glad you came today. I have lots of comic books on sale for Father's Day.
Yes!
This store must have a zillion comics, Dad. But I bet you have more.
Whoa, I sure don't have that one. I don't have Magnificent Magnet Girl #1. She's my favorite superhero.
Who's Magnificent Magnet Girl?
She's a superhero who flew from another galaxy to Earth.
Where she uses her superpowers to fight danger.
And her motto is, never give up.
Stick with it.
She does sound magnificent. What's her superpower?
She can fly through the air and move metal with her turbocharged super magnets.
Here, we'll show you. Pretend this magnet is Magnet Girl.
And this coin is an evil robot from outer space. Put them near each other and watch what happens.
Gotcha, evil robot from outer space.
Exactly.
Wow, it sure must be great to be Magnificent Magnet Girl. I wonder... Help! Somebody, help! I hear someone in trouble. Help! Magnificent Magnet Girl! Thank goodness you're here! Where's the danger? Look! A meteor, eh? It's just a big metal rock from outer space. No problem. All right, space rock. Over here. Hooray! Oh, thank you, Magnificent Magnet Girl. No problem. Remember, never give up. Stick with it.
And this, Olivia, is Magnificent Magnet Girl #1. The only issue I don't have in my collection. I have to have it. I seem to have forgotten my wallet.
But you said you had to have it.
Oh, it's okay, Olivia. It was a big treat just to see Magnificent Magnet Girl #1. Let's go home, honey.
Just a minute, Dad. I'd like to buy Magnificent Magnet Girl #1, please. It's the perfect Father's Day gift.
Oh, I'm afraid it's going to take a lot more coins than that, Olivia.
Never give up. Stick with it. Francine, I need to get my dad a comic book. It's a very special one, and I'm buying it for Father's Day, and we need to find lots of coins right away. A comic book? What about getting him a tie?
That's what we got him last year and the year before that.
This comic book is Magnificent Magnet Girl #1. It's his favorite superhero. Then you definitely have to get it for him. I'll help. You search the living room. You search the kitchen. You stand guard so Dad doesn't see us. I only found 2 coins. I only found 1. How many coins did you find, Ian?
None. But Mom gave me an ice pop.
That's just not enough. What would Magnificent Magnet Girl do? Coins are made of metal. She would use her magnetic powers to find enough coins to buy that comic for Dad. What better way to find coins than with magnets? The magnets will make metal stick to them. Six, 7, 8. We need lots more than that to buy Magnificent Magnet Girl #1. We'll never get enough in time for Father's Day. Francine, never give up, stick with it, and stick together. I added that last part.
We're going fishing?
Not exactly, but we're going to need some more help. Now maybe we can find some metal coins in the grass. Look over there, Julian. A little to your left, Harold.
I hope we find a really big robot. They're made of metal too, you know. Hey,
I found something. It's
a robot? Beep bap beep boop.
It's
beep beep bap.
Whoa! A spoon. And a coin!
Wow,
Good
treasure.
Keep looking, everyone. 47, 48, 49 coins.
And all this cool metal stuff.
Thanks, everybody. I bet this is definitely enough to buy Magnificent Magnet Girl #1 for my dad.
Yeah.
Here are 49 coins, Mr. Hogson. Can I have Magnificent Magnet Girl #1, please?
Oh, gee, I'm sorry, Olivia. I just sold it.
Oh, no. What am I going to give Dad for Father's Day?
What about all the metal stuff?
All the other metal stuff we found. We can use it to build a meteor. Why do we want to build a meteor? We're going to put on a play. A play? It needs just one more thing. Ta-da!
Very
I hope the play is wonderful.
Ladies, gentlemen, and fathers, presenting Magnificent Magnet Girl Saves Father's Day, a play in one act.
This is terrific.
There's a big metal meteor headed this way. That meteor is not going to hurt anyone. Not while Magnificent Magnet Girl is here. If anyone can save the city, Magnificent Magnet Girl can. But here comes the meteor! I will use my magnetic powers to pull that humongous metal meteor away from the city. Stop, meteor! I am flying you away from here where you can do no harm! Thank you for saving us, Magnificent Magnet Girl. Magnet Girl! No problem. And remember, never give up, stick with it. And stick together.
Bravo! Terrific, guys! Fantastic!
Unbelievable.
Olivia, today was the best Father's Day ever. You worked so hard and you put on an incredible play.
It was pretty incredible. I'd even call it magnificent.
It sure was. Good night, sweetie.
They say, good night, Olivia, your big day is through. But how can I sleep? There's still so much to do. It looks like I'm tucked in tight, snug in my bed. But tomorrow is chasing today through my head. Will I climb the highest mountaintop, or will I paint my masterpiece? Go ride a bronco in the rodeo, or wow the crowd on my trapeze. Princess, doctor, author, astronaut, from jungle start to oceans deep. I'll do anything, go anywhere, just don't ask me to go to sleep. There's still so much to do.
Good night, Olivia.
So then the princess ate the witch's enchanted pineapple and fell into a deep sleep.
Oh, brother. What's the name of that book?
The Enchanted Pineapple Princess.
Why do you always read books about princesses?
Why do you always read books about dinosaurs?
'Cause dinosaurs are cool?
Well, what did the witch do after the princess fell asleep?
I was about to find out.
I can't listen anymore.
Would you mind bringing back my books when you go to the library?
Of course not. All of our books are due back today.
Due back? But I haven't finished this one. I can't give it back before I finish it. I'll never know if the princess woke up.
Well, let's see. We'll leave in 5 minutes, so you have 5 minutes here to read. Then we'll drive to the library, which gives you another 12 minutes in the car. Think you can do it?
I'll try.
Do I have to go to the library too?
Come on, it'll be fun.
I'll help you pick out a good book, Ian.
No, thank you. I'll pick out my own.
I know.
If a stegosaurus and a triceratops got into a fight, who would win?
Oh, let me think about that a minute.
Ian, please be quiet so I can finish my book. Julian and Francine and Daisy all have read The Enchanted Pineapple Princess already, and everyone is going to tell me the ending at school on Monday.
So why bother reading it if they're going to tell you how it ends?
Because that wouldn't be as fun. So can you please be quiet so I can finish? So then the princess ate the witch's enchanted pineapple and fell into a deep sleep. The witch knew she could trick the prince. Rule of life number 8. Even when little brothers are being quiet, they can still find a way to bother you.
We're here.
But I'm not finished yet.
Well, why don't we renew your book for another week? That will give you the rest of the weekend to finish.
Thanks, Dad. That's a great idea.
Hold on to the book you want to renew, Olivia, and put the rest in the slot, okay?
Let me! Want to put these in too, Ian?
Yeah.
Once upon a time.
Look, Dad, it's story time. Can we go listen to the story?
Sure. I'm going to look for a book on the three-winged grasshopper.
Come on, Ian.
Dinosaur Princess knew the entire kingdom had come to depend on her. She knew that she had to go out into the forest and find the wizard who had turned her into a dinosaur.
Did he just say dinosaur princess?
Shh, yes.
Why would anyone ruin a perfectly good dinosaur story?
Shh.
But what she didn't expect was that there were fairies who wanted the princess to stay a dinosaur.
Who are you? I am the fairy queen of the forest. I'm looking for the wizard. Can you help me find him? The wizard really doesn't like to be disturbed. But I need him to turn me back into a girl. I don't like being a dinosaur. Please bring me to him. I would, but you see, I promised him I'd let him take a nap. Then what about after his nap? Here's the wizard now. I guess he didn't want that nap after all. Oh, wizard, please turn me back into a girl.
The kingdom is safer with a dinosaur princess to protect it.
I demand you turn me back into a girl this instant. If you don't, I'll be forced to eat you all. Hey, what did I do?
Oh, all right.
Finally. Thank you.
And they lived happily ever after. The end.
I'm gonna be over in the real dinosaur section.
That was almost the best story I've ever heard.
You think so?
Yeah, it's almost as good as The Enchanted Pineapple Princess.
I don't think I've seen that one.
I'll show you. But I left it right there. Oh no, my book is gone. Excuse me, I have to take care of something. That's not my book either.
Can I help you?
I'm looking for my book. I left it over there.
This whole room is full of books. Could you be more specific?
It's red.
Well, that narrows it down to a few hundred.
It's called The Enchanted Pineapple Princess.
Let's see. Yes, here it is. Looks like it was checked in just a few minutes ago. It's being returned to the shelves as we speak.
Can I check it back out again?
Yes, you'll just have to get it before someone else does. You'd better hurry. That book has been quite popular. According to this, it has been read by Julian, Francine, Daisy.
I know, that's the problem.
It's probably on one of those library carts right now, waiting to be shelved.
I have to get it. Not here.
Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi, Dad. Have you seen my book?
No, but listen to this. The adult three-winged grasshoppers fly in swarms of more than 1 million and can travel up to 100 miles a day. Ugh, who doesn't love a library?
I would give anything to have a T-Rex as a pet.
Ian, how would you like to help me on a really important, exciting adventure?
Are we going dinosaur hunting?
Even better. Are you in?
Okay.
Follow me. We're going to search this entire place and find my Enchanted Pineapple Princess book.
That's the exciting adventure?
I see it. Come on.
Whoa. I thought I saw that lady put your book in here.
Julian? Olivia? What are you doing here?
Just looking for books. Why are you in the bookshelf?
I'm not. I'm on the other side. Julian, I need your help finding the Enchanted Pineapple Princess book. It got turned back in before I had a chance to finish reading it.
I can tell you how it ends.
That's what I said. There it is. Come on. On your mark, get set, go! We have to catch that book cart.
Hurry, Olivia.
Don't worry, I'll catch up.
Straight ahead.
Hang on.
Woohoo!
I can see my book. Got it. We did it.
I'm sorry. You can't have this book.
But I've been looking all over for it. It accidentally got turned back in before I finished it.
I'm about to read it for story hour. How about you have a seat and listen to how the story ends?
Kids, would you mind if we stayed a little while longer? I can't decide whether I want the grasshopper book or this one about albino salamanders.
We'll be right here, Dad.
Once upon a time, in the kingdom of the pineapples, there lived a beautiful princess.
But what the witch didn't know was that the princess's little brother had been watching her all along and knew of her wicked plot. The witch was no match for the little brother, and so the princess awoke from her deep sleep. The end.
Can we read it again?
How many times can you hear the story in one day?
Maybe a million?
Why don't we save it for tomorrow? It's time for sleep. Good night, Olivia.
Good night, Mom.